Hey y'all, it's Dr. Lori, and today I want to talk to you about something that is absolutely critical for your success on your MCAT exam, and that is reviewing your full-length practice exams effectively. Most students, they spend all these hours taking practice tests, but see minimal improvements because they're missing that one crucial step of properly reviewing. So today we're going to really dive into a clear, detailed process to make sure that you can turn every practice exam that you take into major points on the actual exam. So if you're tired of getting these same types of questions wrong over and over and over, this video is really going to completely change your approach of how to deal with your full lengths. First, let's address timing. Your practice exam review ideally should happen within 24 to 48 hours of taking the test. This quickly because the exam content, first off, it's still fresh in your mind and you're gonna remember why you answered questions the way you did. You're gonna remember your reasoning very clearly. You want to expect a thorough exam review really to take anywhere from 4 to 8 hours minimum. So it's not quick, but it really is the difference between incremental improvements and significant score jumps. You want to make sure that you schedule the review as soon as possible after your exam. And honestly, 4 to 8 hours, it could even take up to a few days to get there. Split the review into 2 sessions if you need to be able to avoid burnout. It really is important to do it extremely thoroughly. So here is exactly how to review each section. First, focus on incorrect answers. For each missed question, you want to write down what was the correct answer, why was your answer that you chose incorrect, and why is the correct answer actually correct. You also want to write down what you misunderstood. Was it a content issue or was it a misinterpretation either of the question or of the passage? Next, you want to review your marked questions, even if you got them right. Make sure that you clarify what caused your uncertainty. Did you guess or did you genuinely understand what was going on? And then third, finally, briefly confirm your correct answers, your correct questions. If you guessed correctly, treat it as a missed question. You want to make sure that you're using some sort of simple tracking system, maybe a spreadsheet or a notebook. You want to have the question number, the topic, why you missed it, how to fix it next time. Next, from that analysis, you want to identify your weak points. Once you have reviewed every section thoroughly, step back, analyze the bigger picture. Look for patterns. Are you repeatedly missing similar questions? You want to categorize your missed questions by topic. So enzyme, kinetics, physics equations, psych theories, for example. Make sure that you prioritize those topics in your next week's targeted study plan. Your goal is not perfection, it's continuous targeted improvement. The clearer you see your weaknesses, the faster you're going to be able to close those gaps in your content. So next, you really want to make sure that you actually adjust your study strategy. Each practice exam should shape what your next week's study plan looks like. Adjust your strategy based on the review that you did. If you are missing detail-oriented questions, for example, adjust your study approach accordingly. Create quick flashcards or reference sheets to be able to go over. If you are missing interpretation or more reasoning-based questions, then you need to increase your practice questions and your detailed passage reviews. You want to make sure that you consistently adapt your plan of how you're studying. It's personalized, right? You're an individual, so your approach needs to also be personalized, and that's what's going to really lead to significant score improvements. One quick note on mindset. Reviewing exams can be a bit uncomfortable, right? You're essentially confronting your mistakes head on. But remember, every mistake that you correct now is going to be a point that's actually gained on test day. So it's better to do it now. Approach those reviews as an opportunity for growth, not a judgment of your capabilities. Everybody that is really getting those high scores on the exam went through this exact same discomfort. So, okay, real quick, let's cover some of the common mistakes that we see students make whenever they're going over their full lengths. The first one, skimming explanations without actually analyzing the mistakes. The explanations don't mean anything if you don't actually dive into them. The second mistake, focusing only on missed questions and ignoring either lucky guesses or things that they weren't sure about. The next mistake, avoiding topics that you don't like or the topics that are your biggest struggle point. Dive into those. That's where you need it the most. Mistake number 4, not adapting your study plan based on the review of your full length. So avoiding these pitfalls really is going to ensure that your next exam actually does see the genuine improvement. Okay, so to recap, here is your effective exam review checklist. Review exams thoroughly within a couple days of when you took the exam. Use a structured approach. Look for your errors, look for your guesses, then go over your correct answers. Identify patterns and target your weak points, and then adjust your study methods and your mindset pretty regularly. Your goal is steady, consistent, intentional improvement. Practice exams don't just measure your progress. They really are your best tool for creating that progress. If you found this video, this guide helpful for you, please feel free to subscribe to our channel for more MCAT strategies that are designed specifically to help you boost your performance on exam day. And if you're interested in personalized guidance on your MCAT journey, click the link below in the description and you can get more information on booking a call with our team. We would love to be able to support you directly. You've got this. Let's get your score to where you know it can be. I'll see you in the next video.